dreaming to travel the world, but don't know how to speak English? This song will teach you fast. Let's get started.
Pack my bag and check the time. Passport ready, flight at 9. At the airport people say, where are you going today? Ticket ready in my hand. Soon I'll land in a new land. Let's take a trip, come with me. Travel far across the sea. Book a flight, catch a train. See the world again. Again and again. At the hotel I arrived. Do you have a room tonight? Check in please, the traveler said. A quiet room and a soft bed. Maps and streets to guide my way. New adventures every day. Let's take a trip, come with me. Travel far across the sea. Book a flight, catch a train. See the world again and again. Ooh. Where's the station? Where's the gate? Is the bus arriving late? Simple words can help you see. Traveling is easy.
Let's take a trip, come with me. Travel wide and travel free. Learn new words along the way. English helps you every day.